Hey you guys, it's me, your librarian, Miss Fowler. Here's the deal with today's lesson. We're going to talk about the Big Six research model. This is a great way to think through how we collect information and research topics. It builds critical thinking and problem-solving skills. What we're going to focus on is what Big Six is and how we use it, how we look for information, and following the way we think through a research plan. The standards we're going to look at are the TEKS 13 A, B, and C, which is coming up with questions, following a plan, and finding information. Common Core that we're practicing is research and looking at how we gather information and organize it where we can find it again easily. Our ISTE standards are about planning how we gather and use our information and making sure it is accurate and useful information. Lastly, our library standards. We know that the library is a great place to explore our interests and find information and ask questions, and we want to find answers too. We're going to focus on asking and coming up with questions we want answers to, and keep looking for those answers and find ways to connect it to the real world. What is the Big Six? Is this it? No. Is it this? Big Six is the way that we organize our thoughts, our information, and as we begin a research assignment or approach a problem with information, this is the method we're going to use. What you're going to do here in a minute is take a short pre-assessment. Don't stress about it. The reason we do this is to see what you already know. If we don't write down or share what we already know, it's hard to share what we learned and how we grew. Just so we're all on the same page, book puns, let's all go back over what we're going to focus on. Building our problem-solving and critical thinking skills, we're going to walk through the Big Six method and how we use it, and talk about how we find our information. Go ahead and take your pre-assessment and show me what you know.